Hi YouTubers, yeah, I'm back, and I've been working on the Phoenix for at least a couple of hours or more anyway, maybe longer. You know, it's like you're setting up the tools, you've got to include all that lot. Then there's the editing of the video, blah blah blah. Sorry about the gap in between, but yeah, I've got a life and things come along. What can I say? You know, women, mates, my phone never stops. You know, it's like a call centre. Right. I've been working on the bottom of the Phoenix. Um, got some copper strands that are going into the head feathers. They've got to be soldered in. Need more knives on the sides. What I'm doing with the bare plates under the springs on the wings, I haven't got a clue. Might have to bolt the legs out. I've said that before in the past. Besides all that, I don't think there's a lot more to be done on it. Oh yeah, I've got to polish it up. So on that note, let's get into the video.
On the ground. on the ground.